Whoa! Is that what happened to the business? Gosh, I would not want to be in that mess. Oh, sorry, didn't see you there. I was just reading this really spooky book here called Failed Business. It's pretty scary. You know why it's so scary? It's because it's actually based on a true story. And guess whose? Yours. That's right. Someone wrote a book about you. How about I read you some? You may not like it. Once upon a time, you were looking for customers to come to your business. I mean, who would want a failed business? Let's just cut to the chase. You're here for some motivation. You're here for a question to be answered. What are you going to do? How about your business? How are you going to get more customers? Huh? How would you like if you had 2 times the customers? 3 times the customers? 7 times the customers? Or how about 10 times the customers that you have now? What would this do for others in your life? How would they benefit from your success? Imagine all the things you could do with more money in your pocket. Okay, that's nice and all, but seriously, what do you think is stopping you from achieving your goal on your own? You must be thinking to yourself, there's always something blocking you, isn't it? Well, thanks for watching this video, and I understand the hell you're in, but I'm going to be honest with you. I can't fix you, but I know someone who can. But I have to ask, how comfortable would you be spending money so you could get to having more customers? One huge platform, Google, and followed by YouTube as well, and many others. And to have people run to you and leave your competition in the dust. I know you secretly want that. If that was to happen for you, shout out a price that you would actually say would be worth it. Okay, for you to have stayed this long in the video, I know you want change. The only question is, how committed are you doing something right now? No procrastination? I'm going to have a link somewhere around this video or in the description below. I want you to go to it and discover the easy to implement way to get more customers. Well, it's been nice talking to you. Go on and make a change. I look forward to hearing your success story. Go to the link now to change your business for the better. Listen, I like horror stories as much as the next guy or gal, but yours is getting really tragic. I think it's time we switch it up a bit. Go on, click on the link, take action. Why don't you get yourself some more customers? Bye!